Some professionals quietly accumulate influence. No announcements, no visibility campaigns, no personal branding theatrics. And yet, when decisions matter, they are consulted first. That isn't coincidence, it's leverage. We are taught that visibility creates opportunity. Be seen, be noticed, be present everywhere. But visibility without leverage only creates dependency. You need to stay visible to remain relevant. Leverage removes that requirement. Understated professionals are often misread early. They don't broadcast effort. They don't compete for attention. So others assume they are less capable. Until outcomes prove otherwise. Leverage means your past work continues working without you. Decisions become easier, influence extends further. Effort produces disproportionate results. It doesn't happen by being loud, it happens by being precise. Quiet professionals invest in depth first. They refine thinking, they understand systems. They notice second-order effects. Their depth eventually creates authority without performance. Leverage compounds in the background. Each decision strengthens the next. Each outcome reinforces trust. There is no spike, just steady acceleration. Visibility scales linearly, leverage scales exponentially. Those who rely on attention must constantly refresh it. Those with leverage can step back and still matter. Mid-career is where the difference becomes clear. The visible scramble to stay relevant. The understated become anchors. Because organizations optimize for reliability under pressure, not noise. Understated professionals are unambitious. They are selective. They choose influence over exposure. Optionality over attention, durability over momentum. You don't need to be visible to be valuable. You need to be dependable. Quiet leverage feels boring early, but it creates freedom later. If your work feels understated right now, if progress feels quiet and unacknowledged, you may be building the kind of leverage that doesn't need explanation. And that kind lasts.